Saan ni be?
Direction.
Direction.
Match its shape to its floating object.
Corresponding.
Mama,
Wait
pizza!
lang. Shh, knock knock. Ay, wala ko. Di dyan maminaw eh. Pizza agad. Wait lang. Okay. That has a dot. Sa dot lang. Okay, very good. What's this?
Square.
What? Dot lang. Where's the square? Very good. Oh, isa dot lang lagi. What is one? What is this?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. What is one?
Circle.
Okay. Okay. What is this?
Oval.
Oh, very good. Ay! No, no, no. Unda dot, anak. Okay. Okay. Read the ano. Basa sa kuan. Instruction.
Go with the
Da.
dots.
Okay. What is this? Louder. Say da.
Trace the lines to connect their dots.
Okay. Very good, anak.
Macam ni.
Oh.
Macam ni. L,
Hmm.
J, J, J,
Okay.
J,
Say it's okay. Laro nga.
Hatag siya?
Okay.
Ma'am? Hatag siya, ma'am?
Hmm. Laro nga. Okay. Laro nga. Follow the instruction. It's okay, it's okay.
Zigzaga.
Zigzag na nani mo.
Sige, sige,
Sige na, it's okay, it's okay. Tarong nga lagi mong pencil para dili mag ano zigzag. Tarong nga ang pencil kay dili ka help si mama kay nagunit man kag iPhone naman sa phone kay mag-video man kaha ko. Okay. Okay. Pero nga, slow lang. Kay masuko si ma'am. Follow the instruction, anak. Wala na ka sa dots. Erase, erase, erase. Dara. Ayun na, dara. Diyan na. Okay. Okay. Very good, baby ko.
Pulol, basa.
Hmm.
Dili.
Hmm.
Stars. J na.
It's not a J. Oh, F. Erase.
Mama.
Yeah. Sige, you have 3 na lang. Okay.
4 daw, 4.
4 ba?
4.
Okay. 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 Next.
Stars.
Okay. Basa. Basa the instruction, anak.
Matching for color worship.
Louder para madungog ni ma'am. Hoy, louder sa...
Matching for color worship.
Worksheet.
Match the star with same color.
Very good. What's the color? Pink. Where's the pink? There. Okay. Very good. Okay. What's the color next?
Yellow.
Is it a yellow? This one?
Yellow.
No. Where's the color?
Yellow.
What's this? Ay, nagbinulok.
Mm,
Oh.
oh.
What's the color ni? What's the color this one? Buta na. Orange man na, di ba?
Orange.
It's a yellow. Oh, there is sa. Nagbinulok na. Where's the orange? This one, what's the color?
Blue.
Where's the blue? Tarong nga.
Naapan blue.
Okay. Okay. Where's the black? Next, what's the color? Okay. Louder lagi para madungog ni ma'am.
Green.
Okay. Next, what's the color?
Yellow.
This one?
Red.
Very good. This one?
Yellow.
Okay. Okay, next.
With
Read the instruction.
trace and
Louder para madungog ni ma'am. Connect.
shape.
Sige, this one.
Square.
Tarong. Okay. Next.
Square.
Ano pa? Wala pa oh. Hindi, wala pa naman gisumpay. Sumpay. Dire, sumpay dire. Na.
Square. More square.
Yes, more. No, anak. Go, connect gani daw no nya. Trace ingon si ma. Oy. Ay, follow lagi tarong nga. Kaya matan atas sa imong video. Okay. Sige, one more. Connect. Oh, that's the connect. Ay, tarong. Ay. Lapas na, anak. Lapas na, anak. Kenji! Go. Dara, diri anak ka, diri, anak. Naklak, dara, oh. Stop. Oh, di na ka. Go, pababa. Put it, go down. Okay. Dito, next na pod. Next.
Yes, kayo.
Ay, no, lag. Kagahi ka, alin ko niya, eh.
Square.
Is it a square? No, it's not a square, but it's okay. Go, what is this?
Triangle.
Oh, sige na, faster na kaya ito sa mahuman. Tarong lingkod para dili ka hawoy. Sige na, dali.
Square. Triangle. Uy, diamond.
Oh, tarong nga lagi. Follow the trace and connect daw ba?
Square
Ah,
and
sige, go.
triangle. Circle and diamond.
Sige na.
Rectangle, oval.
Sige na, go. Sige na. Okay. Sunod. Ay, late. Kanina man lang.
Unya na po.
Wala, makita ni ma'am. Yun si ma'am na unya na po.